Hey people, how are you? Welcome back, welcome to lesson number 25. Let's continue, but before moving forward, I would like to tell you, if you haven't watched the previous lessons, please do watch those, because this course is interconnected. All the lessons are connected to one another. So please watch these all lessons to have a better understanding of this basic Spanish course. Let's continue. Let's practice because sentences. Because, as we studied why, porque, because is also porque, but it's one word. It's not separated. Por and que together, porque. Let's practice the sentences of because. I don't have it because I don't need it. No lo tengo porque no lo necesito. No lo tengo porque no lo necesito. I don't have it because I don't need it. Remember, I am connected to Latin America somehow, so I speak Latin American Spanish, but if you will be speaking it in Spain mainland, then it will pronounced as necesito. Like the C will sound like the TH of English, not necesito, necesito, like this. Necesito for Latin America and necesito, the TH sound, for Spain mainland. I have told you this in previous lessons also. Why do you want it? Why do you want it? I want it because it's important. Why do you want it? Porque lo quieres. Porque lo quieres? Why do you want it? Remember why, por and que separated. Lo quieres, lo quiero porque es importante. Lo quiero porque es importante. I want it because it's important. I want it because it's important. Do you want it? Because I don't need it. Do you want it? Because I don't need it. Lo quieres porque no lo necesito. Lo quieres porque no lo necesito. To give extra emphasis on the word you can say it, do you want it? Like, do you want it? We are giving extra emphasis on you. So, we can say, tú lo quieres, we can add tú. Tú lo quieres porque no lo necesito. This is all for this quick Spanish lesson. Let's